In 2024, the digital marketing landscape continues to evolve, presenting exciting opportunities for aspiring digital marketers. Here's a comprehensive roadmap to guide you in building a successful career in digital marketing. Research and learning. Research and reading are crucial to becoming a digital marketer. It's essential to master key digital marketing tools that will make your job easier, helping you create powerful strategies, track campaign performance, assess results, and refine marketing tactics. Create a solid portfolio. Showcase your capabilities and skills through a solid portfolio, proving your value to potential employers. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends in the digital marketing world to remain competitive and adaptable. Key skills and strategies to master in digital marketing. Search engine optimization. Focus on keyword research, on-page optimization, link building, and technical SEO. Pay-per-click advertising. Learn to manage campaigns on platforms like Google Ads and Bing Ads. Social media marketing. Create engaging content and analyze data for strategy optimization. Content marketing. Identify target audiences and maintain consistent content delivery. Email marketing. Build effective campaigns with automation and segmentation. Data analysis and reporting. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Google Data Studio to track metrics and optimize strategies. Embracing the future of digital marketing. AI and machine learning. Embrace the rise of AI and machine learning, which are shaping the future of digital marketing. Utilize platforms like YouTube and Instagram and other social media handles to engage audiences and stay relevant in the digital landscape. The digital marketing industry offers a wealth of opportunities for those willing to invest in continuous learning, adapt to emerging technologies, and master the essential skills and strategies outlined in this roadmap. Remember, the digital marketing landscape is dynamic, so staying informed and adaptable is key to long-term success in this field. If you want to advance your skills, get registered in ULearn platform. Thanks for watching. If you like our content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe.